Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Pisces. Pisces people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Pisces people, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. So Pisces, this is your current energy. And let me just check what is the current energy of your partner. Okay. Pisces. I think that you are dealing with Libra. Some of you could be dealing with Libra. Okay. So this Justice card is your current energy, Pisces. With this card, I feel that some of you are going through a very rough time of your life. Okay, now you have taken the sword in your hand and the scale depicts that you want justice for yourself. Okay, perhaps you are someone who has put all their efforts in this relationship, but now you want justice. Or perhaps some of you could be dealing with some of you could be going through some kind of a legal procedure or some divorce procedures or some kind of a legal separation with your partner. But whatever the thing it is, it shows that you are being very focused, you are being very determined, you are being very stubborn right now because you want justice, either from your partner, either from some government body or something like that. All right. On the other hand, we have the Sun. This is your partner's current energy. With this card, the Sun, it seems like they are enjoying or they are seeing a new day in their life. Okay, it seems like they have been through some tough time in life in past time, but now they are enjoying their good time. Now they are living the best time of their life. They are surrounded by a lot of good people. They are surrounded by their family, their friends. Okay, so for them it is like they are seeing a new day. For them it is like a new opportunity for them in any aspect of life, in any aspect of life. All right, so this is your partner's current energy, Pisces. Now let's see what you think about them and what they think about you. What you think about them and what they think about you. What you think about them and what they think about you. Pisces, with this card, control card, it seems like you think about them that they are somebody who was always dominating this relationship. They are someone who always, dictate you that you need to do certain things, whatever I am asking you to do. You need to follow my rules, you need to obey my rules, you need to obey my instructions. Okay, so you feel that you are with someone who always manipulate you, who always try to force their decisions on you, who always try to control you. All right, now let's see how your person sees you. How your person sees you, or how they think about you. Totality. With this card, I feel that Pisces, your person thinks about you that you are somebody who always look up to the support of somebody else. Okay, they see you as someone who is not able or capable enough to to lead their life on their own terms. For them, you are someone who always seek support, who always seek shoulder to cry, who always seek people's opinion about you. Okay, for them, you are somebody who always seek people's permission from other people, from your surrounding, from your parents, from your friends, from your loved ones. Okay, so they see you as somebody who is not capable enough to take decisions of their own life. All right, now let's see what actions you are going to take for them in next coming 15 days. Now let's see what actions you would like to take towards them. The World, intensity. It seems like Pisces, somehow you feel that I have got two things here. First, either you think that they are your world, okay, you can't think your life without them. You feel that this is the only person with whom you can, you would like to spend rest of your life. You somehow rely on this person. You somehow adores this person like anything, okay. Or the other thing is that some of you could also feel that if it is not you, if it is not your person, then you have the entire world to support you, then you have the entire world to encourage you, you have the entire world to be your shoulder, okay. If this person is not ready to give their heart, their efforts, their affection to you, you have universe to support you, okay. And the second card, intensity, it shows that you somehow you would like to take certain action towards this person, because those who feel in both the situation, if you feel that this person is your world, and if in that case that you feel that this person is not capable enough to handle you, in either ways, you feel that the moment you will start taking initiative towards your life or towards this person, you are going to take an intense action, okay. Your actions, your focus will be too intense, okay. Either you are going to make this relationship or you are going to break this relationship, so you are not going to settle down in any midway, okay, either black or white. This is for you. Now let's see, Pisces, what actions your partner can take towards you in this 15 days. What actions your partners can take towards you in these 15 days. Silence. There is going to be a huge silence from their end. I think that your partner is ghosting you. I think that all of a sudden they have disappeared from your life. I don't know, because the silence card is saying that this person is not gonna reveal anything, whatever is happening in their heart. They are being very secretive. They are being very silent. They do not want to talk about, they don't want to share their things, they don't want to share their emotions, their feelings, nothing. So certainly you're not going to listen, or you're not going to hear anything from them. There will be a lot of silence for you from their side. Alright, now let's see what is going to be the future potential, or what can be the future potential of this reading. Let's see what is going to be the future potential of this reading. Okay. 5 of Cups. Alright, it seems like you will be very sad, and you would feel sorry about few things, whatever you had done in past for this particular person, for this particular relationship. You feel that your life is over. You feel that, oh my god, I gave my best, but what am I getting in return? So you are going to feel sorry, you are going to feel sad about yourself, but you need not to worry, because divine is again offering you something. All you need to do is you need to search for that happiness, you need to search for that emotion, you need to search for that joy, not around you, just within you, okay. In the end, I'm going to check what angels wants to tell you. Let's see what angel wants to tell you. Okay, take action. Most probably I feel that angels wants you to take action towards your own happiness and mental peace right now, because it's better to work on yourself right now, okay. Instead of thinking a lot about this person, or instead of thinking a lot about the situation, this current time, you should focus on yourself, you should focus on your growth, you should focus on your mental peace, you should focus on your success. Hence, divine is asking you to take action. Alright, okay. So Pisces, I feel that some of you could be dealing with fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Some of you could be dealing with air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And some of you could be dealing with earth sign as well, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So Pisces, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.